From where do I learn product management? Where do I keep myself updated as a product manager? This is one of the most common questions that most of the people are asking. And why search for it, right? When you have everything on YouTube. Yes, today we are going to talk about the top YouTube channels which will help you to learn product management and stay updated. So let's get into the video. Manoj here, a product manager and content creator with 5+ years experience. So let's jump into the topic. So the first channel in the list is PM School by Nextleap. PM School offers structured tutorials, mock interviews and case study walkthroughs tailored for aspiring PMs and who are trying to transition to product manager role. It's great for career switchers, and PM School provides hands-on scenario-based learning. It has also a lot of lectures recorded by experienced PM. It is known for their interview prep series by PM School, which is a very crisp way to learn and prepare for PM interviews. The next in the list is the HelloPM YouTube channel. HelloPM breaks down the core product management concepts using simple case-based lesson and easy to follow frameworks. They also provide examples and the required resources. They have hosted a lot of free sessions including AI sprints, technology for PMs and many more. You can check out their channel. And they're mainly known for helping absolute beginners and even intermediates to break into product management and learn product concepts using very relatable and real world examples. The next in the list is the Exponent YouTube channel. Exponent is known for their mock interview and interview prep series. It focuses on most of the product management interview rounds, starting from product sense, product design, case interviews, technical interviews, and any more. They help you with mock sessions, frameworks, and practical tips. It's one of the best and free resources available for anyone who wants to crack PM interviews at top tech firms like Google, Meta, and Amazon. The next in the list is SwagWala PM. SwagWala PM by Shravantiko is a very good YouTube channel. He teaches you in a very casual, entertaining and easy to understand style with his humor and storytelling technique. It's perfect for people who have just started learning or who wants to learn in a very interesting way. He also provides content related to career guidance and it's mostly India relevant. The next in the list is the Product School YouTube channel. It is one of the YouTube channel with lot of subscribers. It hosts masterclass, webinars and talks featuring product managers from top global companies. It has a high quality library of PM content. It's a go-to resource for learning everything. It has invited people from top companies, from the leadership, senior leadership, director and senior PMs to their YouTube channel while they help you in interview prep and industry trends. The next channel in the list is Aakash Gupta's YouTube channel, and he has been hosting a lot of product growth podcasts where he invites the leaders who share their experiences and who break down the complex concepts. Aakash Gupta has 15+ years of product management experience and he has led roles at Epic Games, Affirm, Upfellow and many more companies. It's insightful for people who are aiming to upskill themselves as a product manager, learn from product leaders. It's a mix of expert playbook, real world career guidance and much. So someone who wants to go from, let's say, a product manager to VP at a high growth firm, like who want to transition step by step, they should definitely check out Aakash Gupta's YouTube channel. All links I'll be attaching in description, so no worry. The next and the most important in the list is the Lennys Podcast. This is one of my favorite YouTube channel. Lenny, who is formerly worked at Airbnb, he interviews PMs, founders, growth leaders sharing deep long-form insights on product strategy and career progression. He has interviewed leaders from top companies, you name it. Google, Amazon, Microsoft, ChatGPT, Tinder, any top consumer-faced firms or tech-focused firms, he has interviewed them. His episodes break down how top-performing products scale, what it takes to navigate PM career trajectories effectively by top leaders like CPOs, director of products at top firms, right? So I've talked about 7 YouTube channels. Here's a just quick summary of that. Exponent, it's used for PM interview, mock prep and frameworks. HelloPM, beginner level product concepts with simple clarity. PM School, career switch oriented YouTube channel, hands-on mock interview prep. SwagWala PM, India focused entertainment yet informative PM content. Product School, professional PM learning and webinars. Aakash Gupta's YouTube channel. Here he provides expert level career growth and real world insight. Lennys Podcast, it has in-depth strategy, growth lessons from leaders. All the links are attached in the description. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more content, hit the subscribe button and comment what's the next topic you want me to make a video on. Thank you and have a nice day.